Thanks, Cedric. Hi, Robert. Glad to join you today. At Architosh, we've been writing about CAD and BIM technologies for over 25 years. And while BIM has completely transformed the AEC industry, the reality is that jobs still rely on 2D drawings to drive construction. That means 2D CAD drawings still matter a lot. And in the world of 2D CAD, DWG remains the standard. This is why the new BIM to 2D drawing automation features in ARES Kudo are such a big deal. They take Kudo to the next level as a CAD tool. What's especially exciting is about how it combines the flexibility of a cloud-based tool with the automation power of the cloud itself. This gives CAD and BIM managers, as well as senior leadership, brand new ways to monitor workflows, streamline processes, and improve collaboration. For example, management can set up recurring DWG to PDF conversion for markup and review in tools like Bluebeam, or they can set up recurring drawing compares to help monitor changes to drawings as projects evolve. They can also set up large-scale DGN to DWG conversion when working with civil engineers on infrastructure projects, and there are many other similar use cases to that. For many AEC professionals working downstream, Revit models are a regular part of their projects, but they still do their own work in 2D CAD. Now, ARES Kudo makes it easy for these users to automatically generate 2D DWG drawings from Revit and IFC models, saving them a ton of time. In fact, I think the biggest game changer in the new ARES Kudo is how much time it saves the user. Automating standard processes like CAD file conversions and scheduling them to run on their own frees up a lot of time. And as we all know, time is money. While Revit can export DWG files for users downstream, the big difference with Kudo is that the new BIM to 2D drawing automations add dimensioning and labeling for free as part of the process. We have been impressed with ARES Kudo from the start. From day one, we wanted to see it evolve into a full-featured CAD tool right in the browser. And this latest version really gets us there, thanks to two key additions beyond the automation features. First, Kudo now lets users create and share blocks, just like in ARES Commander. This is a big deal because it levels the playing field. Now the occasional CAD user can work with the full-time CAD users and contribute to the block creation process in the same way as someone working in ARES Commander. Since Kudo is cloud-based, users can create a block and instantly share it with their team through the Trinity Block Library, keeping everyone connected and working seamlessly. The second big update is the ability to compare drawings. With the updated drawing compare features, users can easily compare the active version of a file against any previous version right inside the version manager. The version manager now feels really complete. And then there's AI, another great addition. With the A3 agent, users can get help learning the software and even ask industry-specific questions. I like that the user interface also gets highlighted when asking A3 about how to do things in ARES Kudo. Honestly, I found that A3 can answer just about anything. At this point, I would say ARES Kudo is in a league of its own. As a 2D CAD tool, it competes with AutoCAD LT, but it runs entirely in the web browser, and that's incredibly liberating. And now, I guess, with the new BIM to 2D drawing automation features, it's gone beyond LT. It's become something entirely new. And with that, I'm handing it back to you, Cedric. Thanks.